Okay, the dreadful pond liner repair. Okay, here's my boys right here. I had to break everything down. I couldn't really let my pond do what I wanted to do, man. I've been kind of like struggling with my pond all summer. A lot of times you will struggle with your pond if you don't, if you're not patient. And when I wasn't patient, you know what I'm saying, I put water in it. Then what happened was the water would leak out. So what I had to do was let the water keep leaking out until it stopped. And so it finally stopped. And it stopped at this point right here, and that's where it is. So I'm gonna fix it with this. I got this right here just to clear out the dirt. This stuff dries pretty fast too. And so this is like a quick repair. A lot of times when you have a situation going on with your oops. Now I'm risking it doing this. It's about to rain too. Well, it's kind of sprinkling. Uh, Sorry about the camera not being on. I had to wait. A lot of times you have to wait and observe your the water and see. We're gonna see how this works. Okay, there it is. Hopefully, it doesn't rain anymore. If it starts to rain, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rest of the water out. I have a pump that's ready to go. But other than that, these guys gonna sit here and chill. And this is where I soak my feet in. You know what I'm saying? Put my feet in the water a lot of times. And let them have what I call toe jam lunch. Laugh out louder. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's good right there. That's basically it right there. So I'm just trying to get it over the crack. I want to make sure it mended up. Yep, so there it is. So we'll come back, check that out, and see how that turned out. Thanks for watching. Look at them. They looked at it. They can smell it. They can smell the toxins coming off of it. I hope it don't harm them.